name is Ben Peterson. I am the Innovation Center Manager. I help run the Innovation Center as far as when customers come in to rent equipment or try equipment out, I'll help them out with that. We are a federally inspected plant, so we are able to make meat products as far as sausages, snack sticks, jerkies, bacons, and we're going to be selling them to local restaurants as well as stores and hopefully a few other businesses around the area. The Innovation Center is around 40-foot by 90-foot room. We have everything from a column dumper to a grinder mixer, Hampman stuffer, a bowl chopper, a few of our Heineken tumblers, including a CVM tumbler and vacuum tumbler. We have a Heineken injector, a bandsaw, we have a jerky slicer, snack stick cutter, bacon slicer, a smokehouse, brine chiller. So we have quite an array of equipment available for customers to test out and rent. Throughout the year, we offer a variety of short courses. Those short courses can range from just a day to 3 days to an entire week. A lot of the courses involve marination technology and thermal processing. So we'll walk industry professionals if they want to come through the short course just to refresh themselves, or if they're a newbie and they want to learn from scratch, our course is open to everybody. So with the marination technology, we'll actually take you into the Innovation Center, get you some hands-on training as far as getting you into there, show you how to slice jerky, how to make a marinade. Then we'll show you how to actually put the jerky into the tumbler with the marination. And then we'll get them on smoke carts, on racks, cook them. And then by the end of the day, you're able to eat some jerky that you had a hand in making. We want you to be able to come here and test out your products, do some research and development. And by using our equipment, you'll get to know our equipment, and we'll be able to pre-save some of those standards that you use either in our smokehouse with those recipes. And then if you want to invest in our equipment down the road, we can have those come preloaded with all of your recipes. So it's a seamless transition for if you want to get those set up in your plant. Since we are USDA federally inspected, there's a lot that goes into it, from HACCP plans to record keeping to daily sanitation reports. And so all that kind of goes into making that safe and wholesome product, as I mentioned before. We also have GMPs in place, which are good manufacturing practices to kind of keep the meat as safe and wholesome as we possibly can. You as a company want to actually come and rent our Innovation Center. It's built for you and your team. So we have locker rooms, we have on-site restroom facilities, we have an excellent classroom that can seat up to 12 to 15 people. We have a break room too. Our Innovation Center is here to suit you and your team's needs.